Hey there friends, I'm unboxing a Panasonic microwave oven. This is the NNSD372S. It's kind of a compact microwave, and I got rid of the one over the stove and put in a hood. It's still in process. I got a video coming for that. So this will be a small one we can just put in a cabinet next door, so or next to it. So this is what's in there. So this is the turntable. It's, I think it's 12 inches or 11 and a half or something, so decent sized. Alright. I think the easiest way to get this out of the box is just kind of grab it by the bag here. Lift it up. There we go. Okay, let's zoom in for a little walk around here. Dun dun dun. So, the front of the microwave, it's a 950 watt. It has an inverter. This is supposed to be some new technology that evenly heats all your food. So here's a little button to open it, nice and smooth there. Okay. And it's actually pretty spacious for how small it is, you know. It's not the biggest microwave. I think it's less than 20 inches wide. Let's go around the other side here. And this is a cabinet one. It is for a built-in, so you can put it in a little cabinet with some decent amount of room around there. So that's it. I like when you open the door here, it's still not a lot of, it's not extra space there. So let's go put it in the cabinet and we'll see how it works. Let me pause this real quick. Alright, there it is in the cabinet. So we took out our microwave. There it is there. It just wasn't venting good underneath. It was a good microwave, but this vents the air out a lot better. I haven't finished this yet, still waiting on the backsplash to come in so I can finish the install, but that's why we got rid of that one. And now we have this one over here, kind of, let's see here. So this again is how the front of it looks. You can get one with a dial. This one has a little, you know, I haven't, oh, this is a dial. That's pretty sweet. It goes in and you can turn it. That's cool. Okay, so you can push it, goes back in. To open the door, it's really easy. This button's nice. Some of them you have to push really hard. This is super smooth. I just measured the plate. It's 11 inches, but as you can see, it goes back, you know, another inch and a half behind there, and it's like a little wider, so you could probably get away with, you know what, let me try it. Let me get one of our bigger plates here and see if that works. This is a Corel, square. It's a square plate, so I kind of wanted these to be able to fit in there. You know what? And it actually just might, but it'll be close. You know, let's just see if it will or not. I don't know. Turn this thing on if I can figure out. Let's do a quick start. Quick minute, maybe. Start. I don't know how to start this thing. Okay, so oh, well, okay, it did spin in there, so I'll have to figure out how to get this thing going and everything. But so this is kind of the plate we wanted to fit in there. It does kind of, but I don't want it to hit the sides. It's not cool. But anyways, that is that. It's pretty quiet. Looks like it's gonna be nice. I'm gonna do another video here a little bit later. I'll heat some food up and see how evenly it works and things like that. So pretty cool microwave. I'm happy that it fits nicely in the cabinet there. So thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. We'll see you next time. ETPC out.